Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see hidden text messages on Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Messages app. This is where you send and receive your text messages. You don't need to log into an account since it's connected to your phone number. Step 2. Next, scroll through your conversations to find the one you want to check for hidden or archived messages. At the top of the screen, tap on the profile image or the contact name. This will open the conversation details. Step 3. Now, look for the archived option. On most Android devices, you'll find this either in the menu, 3 dots in the upper right corner, or within the conversation settings. Tap on Archive to see all your hidden messages. These are messages you or the system might have archived to keep your main inbox clean. Step 4. To unhide or restore any message, simply press and hold the conversation or message you want to bring back. Then, choose the Unarchive or Restore option from the menu that appears. This action will move the message back to your main inbox, making it visible again with your other conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.